So today we're at Snake Woodland, heading up to Fairbrook Naze, and we'll camp on the north edge of Kinder. Camped here about a year ago. We had a great sunset, so we're going to try and replicate that in this one. And James has never been to Snake Woodland, so he's here today.
Right.
Yeah. What you got for your dinner?
Chow mein.
Chow mein. A bit better than Andy's last week.
Last night takeaway.
He's got Chinese takeaway tonight. Bit better than Andy's.
It's not about the food, it's about the beers.
It says about the beers, yeah. Got a few beers tonight, got a few special ones tonight. And yeah, so we're going to get up Fairbrook and have a little chill out, I think. We've got two young kids, so we can't get out for days on end. So I've had to come to Kinder again. But weather's looking good, sun's out. Yeah, happy days. How me out? Hey up. No. No? No one cares, James, no one cares. Me out. Out me out. Yeah, here she goes. James is rushing up to have a beer. Can't help himself, can you? It's the only reason why I come out. This first view of Fairbrook Naze.
Oh, looking over there at the wall.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Let's get up there.
Yeah, break the park.
Let's bring this John Smith's open. Yeah. I've got two special beers, £3.50 each. James has got a couple of £3.50 each. But what I have got as a secret weapon is a can of John Smith's. Wind's picking up now. Oh dear. So then, we're halfway up Fairbrook. I said to James it's really quiet this side of Kinder, but we've probably seen about 150 people since walking. I've only been walking 20 minutes. Got stuck in a queue for a load of people that have got wetsuits on. They've been clambering in this in the little stream here. Yeah, so hopefully now, it's just gonna be me and James. We finally made it to the top of Fairbrook Naze.
Ain't too bad, was it? It's like walking down to the shops.
Yeah. Right, we're going to 20 minutes walk round onto the north edge, then we're going to pick a spot. Happy days. So we're here, we're at the campsite. Finally back. Last April 2021 I was here, and actually it's still superb. James is just getting his chow mein out. Flat, short grass. Fabulous. Absolutely superb.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I like this.
Have a look, James has actually got a cooler box. Let's have a see what he's got.
Yes, we go.
Oh, what you got?
We've got a Northern Monk Heathen.
Heathen.
7.2.
Beautiful.
And we've just got a Punk IPA. I don't know what this is. It's a Siren Soundwave.
Happy days.
And then I've got another one that won't fit in there.
James now, look, he's all set up, he's all cosy in there. Look,
Season pro now.
look at this here. He's got his beer in his boot, and he's also bought his laundry, his laundry bag up. Right, time for a beer. Right. Oh, it's not good.
What, you not got your chair with you today?
No, I didn't bring it. Right then, tonight, what we got? I can't read it. Right then, tonight, yeah, I still can't read it. Hold on. Well, we've got a Lane Fader Juicy IPA, 5.1. And then we've got a Tooth and Claw, One Eye IPA, 7%. That's a bit better. Funky looking can. And then, for dessert, which is the best bit, we've got a nice little John Smith's. First beer of the night. We've got the sun coming down. I mean, don't get much better than this. Cheers all. Cheers, James.
Cheers, mate.
So, Tooth and Claw, One Eye, IPA, fruity IPA. It's very similar to all the other fruity IPAs. They're all the rest of the £3.50 cans. So yeah, I'm still hoping to taste something slightly different. I wonder if we just got a John Smith's, tipped a third of the can out, put some cordial in it, put some orange and pineapple cordial in it, Robinson's. Be a fruity one, wouldn't it? A fruity John Smith's.
It just wet me socks.
He just poured all beer. Just poured all beer all over himself. Because he was so excited. Happens, mate. Happens, me ode. It happens.
Oh, always bring.
Oh, my piles!
Always bring spare socks.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Nice one.
Cheers.
You know what'd make this better now? If we had Pat Dickinson here now, with his rehydrated meals and his little foil food cozy. I tell you what, because I watch YouTube that much, you know, like someone like Pat Dickinson, actually, like, out of all the celebrities, I would rather meet him out of everybody. Like, I'd rather just meet Pat Dickinson. And yet he's from Sheffield, like a normal man from Sheffield.
A normal guy.
But to me, he's like a bit of a legend. It's like, if I met him, I wouldn't know what to say. If I met Brad Pitt, I wouldn't be bothered. But Pat, Simon Chest. got the gloves on and we've also got the second beer on, and it's really, really nice. It's a little bit sweeter than the last, and it's a little bit more fruitier. Yeah, so really enjoying it. And the sort of sunset, and definitely the clouds have been absolutely superb.
Freezing now.
It's it.
Tell you, so it's that change in seasons.
His mattress is not insulated. He's got a summer sleeping bag.
But I'll be alright.
He's got his missus' underwear on.
It's warm.
What you got tonight, James?
Chicken chow mein.
You got takeaway chow mein?
Yeah, leftovers from last night. Get it frying now, like they do in the Chinese. Oh, listen to that.
Oh, that smells so good, James.
Right there.
It's annoying me. Might ring the Chinese up, you know, in Castleston.
Yeah, I'm up at north edge of Kinder. You can't actually get a...
And don't forget the prawn crackers. Just finishing the second beer. I'm not going to finish the John Smiths. I'm going to leave that for tomorrow. Special occasion only. Leave that babe for tomorrow. I'm going to drink this. I'm going to get my food on. I've got spicy pasta with olives, nice. Loads of veg, and some. I ran out of parmesan, so I've got manchego cheese. Right, tonight we've got spicy pasta, manchego, olives, peppers, ham, mushrooms, tomatoes. Beautiful. Let's get it on. Come on, baby. Nice and slow. Oh, this looks amazing. Just cooking my coffee up while James is relaxing. I've had to put the coffee in because it's getting a little bit cold tonight.
Water.
Oh, Jaffa cakes. Right then, go to bed now. We've both zipped up because it's getting extra cold now. So yeah, that's the end of the night. Wind's died down. Perfect night, really. A bit of a chit chat. James had his chow mein. I had my pasta. A nice little coffee like an old dear. Beautiful. So yeah, see what happens in the morning. There's James eating his breakfast. That, no problem. Bacon and eggs up the top of Kinder. And I've had 4 Jaffa cakes. How much is the gas bill going to be? Well, £2.5 grand max. All right. Well, I've done £5 grand on down jackets and sleeping bags.
Yeah, that's saving his money.
So we've got a 65 litre versus a 48 like mine. What's it looking like?
Height-wise, it's
about the same, yeah. So there's not much in it, is there? But it's probably fatter yours, isn't it? Look how thin mine is.
And that's the thing, yeah.
You got more girth on yours, mate.
Standard.
Right then, left no trace.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So I'm going to head down now, get back to the good wives, and hopefully the dinner's waiting on the table for us. Right then, me odes. We're going to leave it here. Just heading to Snake Woodland now. So yeah, end of the camp. Awesome camp, one of the better ones, wasn't it, this year?
Yeah, a bit cold though.
Bit cold, but
it was a good day.
We survived it.
No wind.
Right, see you on the next one.
Catch you later.